In today's video, I show you how to add a unit in Zoho Invoice, a simple step that helps you manage items efficiently, whether they're measured in kilograms, hours, or pieces. Start by going to the Items module on the left sidebar of your Zoho Invoice dashboard. Click the plus new button at the top to create a new item. Fill in the item's name and select the type, goods, for products or services for non-material offerings. Accuracy here is key for proper invoicing and reporting. Next, locate the unit field in the form and type the measurement that fits your item, like kg, hours, or pieces. This ensures clarity for both you and your clients. Once all details are filled, click Save at the bottom of the form and your item with the new unit is added to Zoho Invoice. And that's it. Adding units is quick, keeps your invoicing precise, and helps maintain professional records. Thanks for watching and happy invoicing.